My name is Merlin LeBoeuf. On April 29th of 2022, I had my first ankle replacement on the left ankle. On April 28th of this year, I had my second ankle replacement on the right ankle. I was retired from the nuclear plant for 27 years as nuclear security. And back then we had a lot of running, a lot of climbing stairs, a lot of humping ladders. You had to run up 6 flights of stairs. And eventually it just wore the ankles out till it had bone on bone. And I'd been to several doctors before in the past, and they kept telling me they wanted to fuse it. And I refused to have it fused because I wanted mobility in my foot. So I used the brace for a good while, but it got to the point to where I couldn't walk 25, 30 feet without having to stop. Well, let's say when my grandson had to hold me up, and I couldn't walk 25 feet without stopping, I figured time to do something.
So when Mr. Merlin first came to see me, he was having significant pain, both of his ankles, on his left and his right. Left was worse than the right. It was getting to a point where he could not even walk more than 100 feet before he had to sit down as a result of the ankle pain. So we discussed with him treatment options, including conservative bracing, fusion, and then the option of a total ankle replacement.
And that's what I've been looking for, ankle replacement, because I wanted all my mobility back. I didn't know what to expect. I figured there'd be a lot of pain with the surgery and a lot of recovery, which I was truly surprised, because from day one on my left ankle surgery, I had no pain whatever. In fact, they gave me pain pills that I never took. And it had been like that was over a year now, and I'm still no pain. I'm pain-free in that left ankle.
And so with our new implants here, this is a model where we have, essentially we cut out that arthritic part of the bone here into the tibia as well as the talus, and we replace it with metallic implants and a plastic implant in between, similar to what we do with a knee replacement. And essentially what that does is allows us to then have that ankle move in a more natural motion and offload the joints around it, allowing people to walk and function in a normal way, just like they did before they had arthritis.
I mean, in the mornings I get up doing good. Sometimes I'll get a little limp with the right leg, but then late in the evening, I'm walking like you and I, normal.
So he has both ankles now with a total ankle replacement, doing extremely well. He's now been able to walk, play golf, and do the activities that he wants to do.
Oh, Thibodaux Regional, I had good care with him. Any questions I had, they would answer it. They took real good care of me. Dr. McKenna, if I needed something, I could call him personally, and he'd call me back himself and not have like somebody else call back. He would call me personally and ask whatever I needed to know.
Patients are having better outcomes. They're much more satisfied with the outcome of the surgery. And in the long term, their functionality is improving and keeping them active for longer throughout their lives.
I'll tell other people, if you need to get an ankle replacement done, now's the time to do it, and Dr. McKenna's the one to see.